Now, this is how we're gonna turn down the notification volume on the iPhone AirPods. So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So at first, make sure you have your AirPods connected, that they are like out of the box, ideally in your ears, and then you can go to your iPhone settings and follow to the Bluetooth section where all of the devices will be shown in a list. So the AirPods should be in the list as well, and there should be the text saying it's connected. Then you can click on the information icon on the right and you'll be able to manage the settings of the AirPods. So plenty of things which you might be interested in, whatever, but I want you to go to the accessibility section. So part of accessibility, some things are going to appear, but at the bottom there is the tone volume controller. So you can adjust the tone volume of sound effects played by AirPods. So this includes all of the different sounds and random things which are played into your ears, which is not like the music or the content that you are watching, but different like tones, which might be notifications or something else going on, and you can dial it down right here. So this is most likely the thing that you are interested in. So perhaps you don't want to keep it at 100%, but you can dial it down to like, smaller percentage. So this is what you probably want. Of course, outside of that, generally for the notifications, you can change the volume in the sounds and haptics, and there you can dial down the ringtone and alerts. So that's how it works. Now, I would really appreciate it if you let me know if you managed to find it and managed to change it on your AirPods and on the iPhone. Hit the thumbs up if it worked. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.